Let me show you how to open 2 cans of coconut. One the way where the edge is kind of sharp, and then the other the edge is soft. Now if you are using a manual can opener like I do, you notice that there is the sharp edge right here, and then there's the little jagged edge. So normally when you go to open a can, and if you're like me, you're going to put this sharp edge like so, and then you'll open it just like that. And when you're done, notice this edge is very sharp right here, very sharp edge. Now another way that you can open it to prevent the edge from being that sharp is by turning this around and putting it on top. So what you do is wherever this sharp edge is and this jagged edge, the jagged edge is going to go right here on top, and then that sharp edge here is going to go to the side and line it up to where you feel the resistance right there, and then just clip until you feel that it's had the part that's sharp is already into the side of the can, and then you just go around like normal. And when you're done, voila, there is no sharp edge. See, the lid is completely over here, and then there's no sharp edge here. As compared to this version, there is the sharp edge right here. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please remember to press the subscribe button for more kitchen hacks videos. And if this is also helpful to you, please share this video with your family and friends, and also click the bell notification so once you are a subscriber, you will be notified when I release new videos. Thank you for watching.